Today it's Friday, 6th of October. We're trading with the CATS engine. Price range has been set from 30 to 40, 5,000 shares. Start trading. We have until now received 200 trade signals. $209. Pressing F9 key. 239. 247. 252. 252. So in about 38 seconds, 255 trade signals. Alright, so about 300 trade signals per second, per minute. Almost 299 per minute. So we have run the engine for a few minutes. Nice to see the engine filling up, taking its profits. Here you go. So we're now trading on a different price range with a different amount of shares. I've changed it to from 3,000 to 5,000 shares. I like to do this sometimes so I can see the different settings. Unfortunately, today we'll see a little bit more profit because of the higher amount of shares. But that's just how it goes, I guess. I have two older orders in here. You can see them here. These two are quite old. 11,300. This is 11,600. I didn't put my my grouping header today. But from the order numbers, you can always see how they go. I have only 1,000 shares on this one, so I'm just gonna close it. I can close it if I just drag down the price lower than the current asking price, and then it goes, as you can see. You have a very small amount of shares. The trading engine doesn't care. Profit is a profit, of course, but the chance of them not taking the profit and you have them in your portfolio for a week and then you can't trade on them for a whole week, only to make a $50 profit is not the best use of a possible good share. And you don't get so many shares because you sitting too far away from the exchange. You don't get a good fill. Alright, that's it for today.